And they're on her way. Nabreka draws for your lead. Etchage is running by the rail. LGV is down in third, running alongside Bersui. Then followed by Pravda, Forever Legacy. Jai Ho running second last, and trailing the group is Stellar Ace. Heading towards the last 600. Navreka takes the lead, running by the rail. Chage, who's fighting back down on the inside. Bersoi now in third, racing in fourth. LGV followed by Pravda. Forever Legacy running third last. Jaiho remains second last, and Stellar Race is still bringing up the rear. Heading towards the last 400. Navreka now in command, followed by Etchage. Bersoi is by the rail. Pravda, Forever Legacy. With the last 150 more to run, this time we have Etchage over Pravda, moving up by the release Bersui. With the last 75 meters more to run, Etchage, this time by about 3 lengths. And finally, Etchage, Bersui, close between Forever Legacy and Pravda. Then comes Navreka, Jaiho, LGV, and Stellar Ace comes in last through all the way.